To know how to get the maximum possible discount on SEO Writing AI, which is an amazing AI tool to write SEO optimized articles, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. Click on the first link given in this video's description. You will see this page of SEO Writing AI. If you don't have an account, then click on Get Started. It's free. You will need to enter your email ID and a password to create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. Here, click on Login with Google. Now, I will select the email ID that I want to log in with. After successful login, you will see this page. Now, go here on your profile icon on top right. Click on Profile. On this page, click on Billing. Click here on Upgrade Now. You can see that we have 3 plans. Currently, we are using the free plan with limited number of articles and features. The paid plans offer more article generations and a lot of other features. You can compare all of them and decide which plan you want to buy. In the professional plan, you can also increase the total number of articles from this drop-down menu, and it will adjust the price accordingly. So, you can choose the number of words as per your requirement. On the top, if you select monthly plan, you will need to pay the exact amount. But, if you select yearly plan, you get a 25% discount. So I highly recommend to go for the yearly plan. Select a plan of your choice and click here on Upgrade Now. You will be redirected to the payment page. On the left-hand side, you will see the option to enter coupon code. Click on it and enter WBEXPLAINER in all caps. Click Apply. You can see that we have received an extra 25% discount on the initial 25% discount that we received. That makes it approximately a 50% discount on the total price, which is amazing. You can also use this discount code on the monthly plans. You can now enter the remaining details on the right-hand side and complete the payment. If you want a detailed explanation on how to use SEO Writing AI, then check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. If you want a video on any specific AI tool, then do drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.